I bought this from Amazon Basics. It's a half an inch dull torque wrench, around 203.5 mm range. Let me open it and show you all. Use to tighten nuts and bolts to a predetermined torque value. It allows the user to tighten and give a proper tension for the nuts and bolts so that it doesn't break or it doesn't get loosened very easily. That's the main purpose of this torque wrench. I felt it's very important to do any kind of modification or changes in my bike or the car. I keep doing some changes very often. So this time I bought this to tighten and or loosen the shock absorbers on my bike, which required a set value to apply the torque. So let me open the box. It's a very sturdy plastic box and some instruction on the box itself. It's all well packed and quite heavy here. It's not very light or something, it's quite heavy. It's a durable ratchet made from hardened chrome steel alloy. Construction, and this is the place where we lock the measurements once we set the measurement using this. And that is half an inch. Quite sturdy. This is a lever which makes it tighten or loosen based on the selection we do. And here we do the measurement settings. All the details are given in the manual. It's pretty simple. So let's see what's there inside the box. So this is the manual. Gives all the details in different languages. Well, let's open the page where it has English details in it. Looks like they've given very good explanation about each adjustment and selections. I've used this before when I'm using it for the first time, but looks like With the information provided, we should be able to make use of it. Thank you all for watching the video.